dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us know. Big nose, contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in the mind.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit is a limited design by the name of brown with black peekaboo loose body wave glueless 5x5 closure lace wig. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, one being in the very back, the other 3 are in the crown of the unit, with one being on each side of the unit, and then the last one being in the very center. It also comes with adjustable straps and a pre-attached security band that you can adjust. As stated in the title of the unit, this is a 5x5 closure unit, so therefore you're going to get 5 inches going straight across in the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space area. This unit is said to be 150% density, and it's offered in the length of 14 inches and 14 inches only. This unit did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and I'll make sure to pop up a picture of how it looked coming straight out of the box, but just know that I did decide to go in and pluck it a little bit more. The cap sizing for this unit is said to be 22.5 inches, which is their standard medium. And of course, if you're not new here, I will let you guys know a little bit later in the video whether I think it is big head friendly or not. On the website, it does say that you can wear this unit as a glueless unit. I was gonna say maybe I'll wear it as a glueless unit, but now that I think about it, pretty much all of my units are glueless units, seeing as how I don't really fool with glue like that. But maybe, no, I'm probably gonna go ahead and use some spray with this unit. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts at the end.
I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me of my energy, trying to take away from a nigga. Fucking with the kid and pray for your nigga. I got girls in real life trying to fuck up my day. Fuck going online, that ain't part of my day. I got real shit popping with my family too. I got niggas that can never leave Canada too. I got 2 mortgages, 30 million in total. I got niggas that are still trying fucking me over. I got rap niggas that I gotta act like I like, but my acting days are over, fuck them niggas for life. Yeah, I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me of this energy, trying to take away from a nigga. Fucking with the kid, pray for your nigga. I got people talking down, man, like I give a fuck. I bought this one a purse, I bought this one a truck, I bought this one a house, I bought this one a mall. I keep buying shit, just make sure you keep track of it all. I got bitches asking me about the code for the Wi-Fi, so they can talk about the timeline and show me pictures of their friends, just to tell me they ain't really friends. Ex-girl, she the female version of me. I got strippers in my life, but they virgins to me. I hear everybody talking about what they gon' be. I got high hopes for you niggas, we gon' see. I got money in the course, so all my niggas are free. About to call your ass a Uber, I got somewhere to be. I hear fairy tales about how they gon' run up on me, but run up when you see me there, we gon' see. I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me of this energy, trying to take away from a nigga. Fucking with the kid and pray for your nigga.
Listen, I don't know where I'm going today, but I gotta go somewhere because somebody gotta see all this goodness. Before I begin to talk about this unit, I want to apologize if the lighting is going in and out. It looks like the clouds are like going in front of the sun constantly, so yeah, I don't know what it's doing, but I'm just like, please give me like 15-20 minutes to finish up and then I'll be good. But anywho, y'all, this unit, whew, from the color, the styling, the length, the fit, like everything is just chef's kiss. I'm just gonna tell you right here and right now, I don't have any cons regarding this unit. All I'm gonna say is just get your card ready. If not your card, then get your man card ready. Get somebody card ready to go ahead and purchase this unit. To start off, the coloring of this unit is everything to me. I love me a good reddish brownish unit, and this is exactly what this one is giving. But then to have that little peekaboo moment of the like jet black underneath, it's just yes. If I were to do a cute little claw clip moment with this unit, of course you would see more of the jet black in the back, and I think that's just really cute. But even with the unit just sitting here in the front, you can see the peekaboo moments of the jet black right here, and it's just like, that's just so cute to me. The fact that they're offering this unit in only 14 inches is perfect in my opinion, because I feel like 12 inches would have been like a little bit too short, and 16 inches and anything longer would have definitely been too long. I don't know, like this is my favorite unit from LuvMe Hair. I don't know. I have a lot of favorites from LuvMe Hair. I typically like units that are anywhere from 12 all the way down to 18 inches to be considered like everyday type of units, and this one would clearly fall into that category. After shampooing and conditioning this unit, I decided to go in and style it by taking my flat iron and flip the ends of the unit. Now I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think I was gonna be able to achieve this style, but it was actually easier than what I thought. I decided to style it this way obviously because of the peekaboo moment, but also when I first pulled the unit out of the box, it had like some flips or curls towards the end of the unit, so I wanted to see if I could achieve those flips or curls again. Whenever a unit comes pre-styled, I'll typically try to recreate that style after shampooing and conditioning the unit. Number one, because I mean it came pre-styled, so 9 times out of 10 that's how it's also going to come to you all. But then also just to kind of check the integrity of the unit. You know how sometimes you'll get a unit and it has like all these big pretty curls and whatnot, but then when you try to go in and make those exact same pretty big curls, it's a flop? Yeah, I don't want that. For this particular unit, she for sure passed the test. When it comes to tangling and shedding, so far I'm not receiving either one. Now earlier in the video, I couldn't decide if I wanted to not use spray or use spray, and I can't lie, for a split second while installing the unit, I almost didn't use any spray whatsoever because it was just looking too good. But then I was like, it's looking too good to where I'm like, I'm about to keep this unit on all day. Therefore, I did decide to go in and use some spray, and I mean, as you can see, she is blending and melting flawlessly. I said this in a couple of videos back, I am here for the larger closure units. 4x4s, in my opinion, are just a little bit too small, so when companies offer, you know, the 5x5s, the 5x6s, I'm all here for it. I think my main reasoning for liking the bigger closures, well, number one, I like 13x4s and 13x6s the most, but then on top of that, my edges, like, they go out right here, and I feel like 4x4s like usually stop like right here in the middle. I don't know, so I feel like there's like the unit, then there's some hair, then there's my edge sticking out, and then of course, you know, my sideburns and whatnot. With 5x5s and 5x6s, I don't know, it's like, it's almost like it either touches the edges of my edge, if that makes sense, or it either overlaps my edges like just a smidge. I don't know, they just look more better. That's not correct. They look nicer. Speaking of edges though, just know that yours will be exposed. Now that's a good thing for some people, that's a terrible thing for other people. It just depends on who you are. Seeing as how I do like 13x4s, 13x6s, it's always nice to give my edges and sideburns a break from those type of units, so I'm here for it. Y'all, when I say that I love me some LuvMe Hair units, I genuinely love me some LuvMe Hair units. And it's not because I received them for review, it's because, well, like I just said, I genuinely love them. The fact that they offer quality units, the fact that they offer a wide variety of units, you know, you got your units where you got to put a little bit more extra work into, but then they also offer your ready to go type of units. Like, come on now, they offer something for everybody to switch it up. And I mean, let's be real, switching it up is everything. They also offer their units at really good prices, and speaking of prices, this unit is retailing for $259.90. But you can use my coupon code TANDOTSON, and that should bring the total down to around $195. In my opinion, that's a really good price. Number one, it is a limited edition type of unit, but then also the fact that it's a two-tone unit, the fact that it's a pre-bleached, pre-plucked unit as well, and it's basically a ready-to-go type of wig, like, come on now, all of the work is done for you. And if you are somebody who's really not into like cutting lace, you're not that confident with cutting your lace, they will do that for you, but I think it's like an additional $5. Don't quote me though. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think and how you feel about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.